In this video, I'll show you how to sell cryptocurrency on Binance, step by step. First, open the Binance app or website and log into your account. Once you're in, go to your wallet section, usually called Fiat and Spot or Spot, so you can see all the coins you currently hold. Now choose the crypto you want to sell. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Tap or click on that coin, then look for a button like Sell, Trade, or Sell Crypto. On the app, you might see Trade to Sell, or a simple sell option on the main screen. You'll usually have two main choices: sell to fiat, like USD, EUR, etc. Sell to another crypto or stablecoin, for example, BTC to USDT. If you want normal money in your account, choose Sell to Fiat and pick your currency. Next, enter how much you want to sell. You can type the amount manually, or use quick buttons like 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% of your balance. Binance will show you how much cash or stablecoin you'll receive after fees. Check the price, amount, and fees carefully. When you're ready, tap Sell or Confirm. Most of the time, Binance will create a market order, which sells immediately at the current market price. Once the sale is complete, your funds will appear either as fiat in your fiat wallet or as stablecoins/crypto in your spot wallet, depending on the option you chose. From there, you can withdraw to your bank, send to another wallet, or trade for other coins. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.